I haven't built anything in a while. So, part one, part two. The microphone I was using died in the middle, so this is part 3 and part 4. And this is it, all put together. I really like the minimalist look that it gives my TV, and that it's up off the floor and it's not sitting on a large console. At first, I wasn't into the plastic shelf that they included. I thought it would be metal or something, but it is warming up to me, and I have been using it. To be honest, I ended up putting this on a platform about a week later just to make it higher to my liking.